Alright, what's going on, traders? I told you yesterday that I would make a video today, or that I thought about it, and I want to make this video not only to keep me kind of aware of the trades that I made, but also to teach you a thing. And today we're going to talk about why stocks spike at open and why some just completely crash. And to do so, I would like to start and tell you why I was kind of off my game yesterday. So MDXG spiked yesterday, opened at 4.62, a gap up from 4.2. I'm going to show you the 5, or let me show you the minute chart, and I'm going to tell you why I failed to play the stock, or what happens. So it spiked up in the morning and kind of topped out at $5. Thought about it, about a short pre-market, but the liquidity was just too bad for me to enter. And I saw it spike. It kind of put this resistance line right here at 482. I'm gonna draw a line right here, so right here. So that was one, and we had kind of support in this 4.6 area too. So at open it crashed and opened at 461, putting a wick in from the 468 area. Normally I love these plays, and what I wanted to do was short it at just as I wanted a spike, but a spike towards the 475 area to risk off this resistance line. So I would have had a 10-cent stop loss and basically wanted to hold it till first target 4.5, so that would have been 25 cents and lower, possibly for a move down. But what happened was we had a crash instantly, couldn't short in here, spiked back up, but not really to VWAP. And as we spiked back up, I thought, all right, we're going to break the highs, and just didn't take it. That should be the pattern that I'm focusing on the whole time. That's my bread and butter setup, and I just missed it. So I really was off the game at that point, and so as C right at open, and thought, all right, we spiked, we're kind of consolidating, and as we broke down the lows right here, I thought, all right, it's going to roll over, but instead we touched the lows, cracked under, and from there we kind of grinded back, higher lows, and really failed to manage that trade properly, because I got short right here, got stopped out. I wanted to go long because I thought, okay, we're gonna break, didn't make it, got stopped out again. Then I thought, all right, I'm gonna use this previous resistance, which is now support for the downtrend, and shorted, just failed. And I shouldn't have been trading this one based on a daily chart, and that's what I want to talk about today. Because first of all, I think I'm going to show you KBSF, not the minute chart, but the daily for now. So this is really why stocks gap up and crash. The thing is, we got basically people who are long the whole time right here, so bag holders basically buying and hoping. This candle, many got long, and also many didn't cover. And when they are down on the position right here, or in the red, they are thinking, fuck me, I just am in the red right now, how will I be able to make money again? And then we got this gap up right here. The gap up is from the 5 area to the 8 area, so right around 50%, or more than that even, more like 60%. And all the people who got long in this area right here are now in the green and they want to cover because they think, all right, I was waiting now for a month, more than that, for months now, and I want to cover. So I'm gonna show you also um, the chart, the intraday chart right here. Time frame. I'm gonna set it to I think it was the 9th, so I'm gonna take 8. So here. Go to the minute chart. So people are longing. These are not the typical bag holders. Typical bag holders can't trade the pre-market. They can trade the normal market, so at market open. So we got the longs right here. Days before we had AWX spiking from the 2 area, I think, to 35. So people were really excited to see such a play gapping up that much. Got long, got long, got long. These are the traders trading pre-market. And as soon as we open, all the bag holders from the daily chart just dumped their shares. Everybody was thinking, all right, we're gonna go long right here in the pre-market. And when too many people are thinking the same thing, exactly the opposite will happen. So we got all the people right here that need to sell their position and all the bag holders that are in. We don't have that many shorts. People that short don't short this kind of action right here. So that's why it crashed. Now let's talk about SSC and what I've really failed to see, basically. So the first day, the red day, I missed it on this one, and as you can see, we got resistance right in this area, right here, right there, right here, and we got this support line here. So what happens now is we saw this. Well, let me make it maybe a little bit smaller. We got the red day, and shorts are in this one. Many shorts, maybe more than longs or bigger size. And we had this reversal right here. People tried to short on this day, and on this day. And we got a breakout. A breakout is a long setup, not a short setup. Because all the shorts that are right in here must cover for loss at this point. So they're panicking at open. They want to get long. And we also have, like I showed you, all the resistance that is getting broken right here. We got the support right here that is now resistance that's getting broken. We have all the shorts covering, and that's what I failed to see. So you see right here, open right there, and we dip down to where? To the open of the first day right here. So shorts are going to cover their position, and what do they have to do? They have to go long. So they have to cover and basically then put a buy order out, which is going to make the price go higher. So we got a spike, come back down to support, and spiked. I don't know why. What I thought about trading is just a bad setup. I don't know why I traded it. Made a bad trading mistake, which I've nearly never done the past weeks or month. So yeah, that's the difference. So on the one side, we got a chart where people are. Let me show you. So you see the chart right now. That's the other one. All the shorts, all the longs are trapped. Trap, no shorts. People need to cover, breaks completely down. On the other side, we've got shorts in it, completely bagged, need to cover and panic. Boom. Alright, that's what I wanted to talk about today. If you have any suggestions for the next videos, please write them down in the comments section. And I hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video, and please do share the video. And I'll see you tomorrow or the day after.